Hello everyone, my name is Andy. Today is Friday, August 18th. Time is around 7 GMT, and we will have a look at the NASDAQ futures on the Wanda platform. So here we are looking at the 4-hour chart. My take on the NASDAQ is that we are currently doing this wave 4. If we are doing this wave 4, I think we are reaching the limits in the sense that we need to start turning up, or at least can of course still be that we do a deeper wave 4, but then we first need more upside, some kind of rally that fails, and then we go down again in 3, 1, 2, 3. This is something that is possible, but for this first part of the wave 4 correction, or the wave 4 correction as a whole, I would expect that we need some upside now. If we do not get the upside, then it would mean that we could have something else, and that could be, like I explained in my higher time frame analysis, what I would call the trap, that this here will not be a 5-wave structure, but only 3 waves. And if this is 3 waves, this is corrective, actually part of a larger corrective, part of a larger correction, a larger correction that would mean that we also take out this low here, that this was an A, that we here have a B, and here is C. But I will discuss this in more detail this weekend during my higher time frame analysis. For now, let's have a look at this structure here, and what to expect and how to enter or trade. So yesterday I was again stopped out. So my entry was again not successful. Like, this entry level did not hold. As I told you yesterday, then the next opportunity or good entry level, in my opinion, would be below this low here. This is also what I did. I told you, do not use this low as a stop loss level, because most of the time we just take out this low to get some liquidity, and then fuel the move in the opposite direction. And okay, we do not have the move yet in the opposite direction, but we took out this low, so this was definitely not a good stop loss level. And so now let's see if we have some kind of reversal from here. I would like to see something to the upside, so I can make my trade risk free. And then if this would happen, I'm just risk free, and I will just let it run. I see what exactly would happen. But of course there is still more space for the wave 4. But my concern is that like, if we look at the 4-hour, if we get even more downside here, this start to looks like an impulse instead of an corrective structure. Like, then you could count this as 1, 2, and we are actually doing like some hidden wave 3, hidden in the sense that we could not see it in the beginning because it looked very corrective, but now it starts to develop like a real wave 3. And like, if you look at the 4-hour, this is it starts to look like 1, 2, 3. So therefore we might definitely not neglect yeah, the trap I talked about, that this was just corrective and that we will never see or wave 4 and wave 5, but that we go down instead. But okay, this is for the weekend analysis. So I just want to say that that you have to be careful, protect your trade early. Like, I'm still expecting this to be a wave 4. This is my primary scenario, but we just have to be careful. Like, if you can make your risk excuse me, if you can make your trade risk-free, make it risk-free. Like, preservation of your capital is way more important than gaining capital. So yeah, this is what I do, because if if this one does not hold anymore, then I just have my doubts that this will be a wave 4 here. And if this is not a wave 4, then there is no point anymore in going long, because if this turns out to be a wave 3, you do not want to go long in a wave 3 to the downside. So that's why we have to be careful. So okay, let's see what we get today. Let's see if this was a good entry, if we can protect our trade. And yeah, I see you this weekend for an analysis of the higher time frame. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, comment to support my work. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.